Now, the Bolsheviks decided that the land would be redistributed amongst the Russian people. So, this led to unrest amongst the soldiers of the Russian army who wanted to go back to the village and get a share in the land redistribution. This move was opposed by the non-Bolsheviks, the socialists, the liberals, and they even got support from outside the country, because the people from other countries feared that if socialism spread successfully in Russia, then the same would come to their country. Therefore, the fight started between the Bolsheviks and the non-Bolsheviks against all the propertied and the non-propertied classes, what was going on, the distribution of land amongst the people. But this we see that lot of support that the Bolsheviks got was from the non-Russian nationalities and the Jedis, because they had been granted political autonomy in Russia at this time. So, we see that a situation has come in Russia wherein the political crisis has deepened and a civil war has emerged because of the policies of the Bolsheviks and the opposition which was created by the non-Bolsheviks. Now, making of the Socialist Party in Russia, we see that the Socialist Party started with certain measures in Russia which were done to improvise the economy of the country. First of all, they started with 5-year plans. The first 2 5-year plans were actually meant for improving industrialization in Russia. And when the industrialization started picking up in Russia, naturally the condition of the workers became worse. There was poor working conditions and the workers also did not get enough wages. But the government, which was socialist in nature, worked upon all such things, and then education was also given to the workers, extended to them, and the crutches were opened for their children, and cheap public health was provided to them, and a model living quarters were made for them. This was the making of proper socialism in Russia at that time. So, these were the small and the big changes which were occurring in Russia time and again, which were actually strengthening socialism in Russia. And we continue with the rest of the history in the next clipping.